Meaning of death rattle.
Death rattle.
Death rattle.
Death rattle.
Death rattle. The term death rattle refers to a specific sound that can be heard in a dying person's throat. This sound is caused by air passing through saliva or other fluids in the airway as the person loses the ability to swallow and clear their throat. The sound is often described as a rattling or gurgling noise, and can be distressing for loved ones to hear. It is a sign that the person is close to death and has limited time left. Palliative care can help manage the symptom and provide comfort for both the patient and their family.